Hi, this is Felicia from the Fresh from Felicia show, and today I'm going to show you the magnetic hoop that I purchased to use with my Brother SE1900. I've got my stabilizer on the back, my material, my wash away stabilizer on top, and I'm using the guide that comes with the magnetic hoop. It is a 5x7 magnetic hoop, but I'm using the guide to help me find the center of my material. And then I'm going to take these very strong magnets and attach it to the hoop up on top of the material. And it comes with 6 magnets with it, but I went ahead and purchased an extra 4 just so I could have that confidence and comfort that it would actually stay in place really well. So you just take your magnets, stretch your material, and apply them in different places on the hoop. And that's all you need to do, to be honest. Easy to attach, pretty quick and strong. You can see it's on there really well. It's kind of tight. And we'll go ahead and pull our machine over and load the 5x7 magnetic hoop into the SE1900, just like you would with the hoop that comes with the machine. Slide those notches right onto the embroidery arm, snap it in place, and you are ready to get going.